Starting January 1st, Ohio State will be a tobacco-free campus. To find out why Ohio State is going tobacco-free, we met with Jonathan Nutt, the Assistant Director of the Student Wellness Center.
Ohio State is placing a lot of emphasis on health and wellness, and I think this is, sort of one step in that progression to making a healthier and more well-being focused Ohio State. We feel is really important to the health and well-being of students. We know that almost every single smoker that is a smoker for a long time starts at this age period.
Ohio State is going completely tobacco-free, but why not just smoke-free?
We found that there is a lot of instances where people may just switch tobacco products, and since we had this as so much more of a health initiative, we really felt that to only limit one type of tobacco really didn't get to our core goal.
We met with Dr. Elizabeth Klein, an assistant professor for the College of Public Health, to see what this policy really means for Ohio State students and employees.
The policy is constructed to basically ban use of tobacco anywhere on all of OSU campus grounds. And so this includes the other campus locations as well as here in Columbus on the main campus.
Because Ohio State is such a big campus, we also wanted to know how they are planning on implementing this policy.
What we're going to do for the first few years, and this is consistent with what the Wexner Medical Center has done, is just really focus in on education and support for this initiative. So we really want to make sure that there's heavy communication. We want to make sure that everyone is aware of the initiative, and we want to make sure that the support and resources are there for people who want to quit.
After learning more about this policy, we went out and talked to the students to see what their reactions were.
Having a tobacco-free campus is important not only for the students that use tobacco, but also for the students that don't use tobacco. Having it be tobacco-free will help embody healthiness for all students, both who participate in the habit and those who don't. It'll clean up our air and make it a much cleaner and safer environment for all in the Ohio State community.
My opinion on Ohio State's tobacco-free policy is that, one, they should not be doing it because it infringes upon our personal rights as American citizens. Another is they have almost no way to enforce it, so I don't see how it's going to actually work because they don't have any tobacco monitors on campus to take care of the problem if they did want it to be tobacco-free.
This policy is focused on the health and wellness of students, faculty, and staff at The Ohio State University.
I feel like this is so much more than a you can't smoke on our property kind of thing. We feel like this is really trying to inspire sort of a groundswell of healthy lifestyles among students, faculty, and staff.